Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw BMW X4 easy method. Start by blocking the major shapes: a long roof line, a sloping hood, and two wheel centers aligned on a baseline. Keep lines light and simple so proportions are easy to adjust. Use basic geometric shapes to place the windshield, windows, and door seams. This approach saves time and keeps the drawing balanced and recognizable. Smooth the initial shapes into the car silhouette by refining the roof curve, hood slope, and rear hatch with confident strokes. Emphasize the wheel arches and place the wheels so they feel grounded under the body. Keep checking the overall silhouette for balance and tweak proportions as needed. Work from large shapes to small details to avoid overcrowding the drawing. This method builds a strong foundation for final details. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. On another note, a quick recommendation. Bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I used while sketching. They keep snacks mess-free. Check the description for the product link and other deals to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Focus on signature details like the kidney grille, headlights, and shoulder lines while maintaining the car's proportions. Use thin lines to indicate panel seams and gentle shading to suggest volume without overworking the sketch. Keep reflections simple and consistent with a single light source to enhance form. Take your time on the grille and lights, as these elements define the model's character and make the drawing instantly recognizable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.